Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by confirming S corporation eligibility. 100 or fewer shareholders, only eligible shareholders such as individuals, estates, certain trusts, and only one class of stock. Pick a unique corporate name that meets South Carolina naming rules and includes words like incorporated or corporation. Search the Secretary of State database to avoid conflicts. Designate a registered agent with a South Carolina physical address for service of process, and list the agent name and address on the Articles of Incorporation. Prepare and file South Carolina Articles of Incorporation with the Secretary of State, including corporate name, registered agent, incorporator, and principal office address. Include officer and agent details as required. Obtain an EIN from the IRS online immediately to hire employees, open bank accounts, and register for state payroll tax. You need EIN before filing payroll taxes. Adopt written bylaws. Hold the initial directors' meeting to appoint officers, and issue stock certificates and an equity ledger to record each shareholder and percentage ownership. File IRS Form 2553 to elect S corporation status. Sign by all shareholders and file within 2 months and 15 days after the effective date for timely election. Prepare to file Form 1120S annually and issue Schedule K1 to each shareholder for their personal tax returns, and manage reasonable shareholder wages subject to payroll taxes. File South Carolina Annual Report and pay state fees on schedule. Register for state withholding and sales tax if applicable, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.